Are you still thinking about creating your online course? If you are, your opportunity to get your course out of your head and out into the world, into the hands of your students, is now here. If you would like to create your very own engaging and profitable online course by the 1st of April, yes, to have your idea turned into a course and published out to the world by the 1st of April this year, then you are going to want to join my Concept to Course. This is a 30-day group coaching program. It starts on the 1st of March, and I'll be taking a small group of you all the way through the process of coming up with your course idea, coming up with all of the content, setting up your own online school, how to do all of the tech, even if you're as tech savvy as a carrot, and getting it published. There's even a bonus module in there for how to actually do all of your course launch and marketing as well. Now, this program opens only for 5 days. There's only 5 days that you can actually get yourself in there. It's open on the 25th of February for enrollments, and on the 1st of March we get started so that within 30 days you have that course out to the world. So if you'd like to join me, then click on the link above or below, and I cannot wait to see you in the Concept to Course 30-day group coaching program. I'll see you there.